Hello guys, today we're going to start putting the acidity shifter bushings today. So let's get started. First you want to take out the shift knob. And then take out this plastic trim piece. See, I wrapped mine. My thing is nice. I'm going to put this to the side. I'm going to take out this real quick. And after that, you want to take out this plastic piece. Just pull it up. It'll just pop out. See, it just pops out like that. So the things you're gonna use is a ratchet with a 13mm, and after you can start taking it out one by one. It's pretty tight. Just take out the bolt. Should be a bolt like this long. To pop out the bushing, you're gonna need a flathead to replace the bushings. So just push it to the bottom, and it just pop out. Just loosen these 13mm also. Just loosen them. Loosen these also. You don't have to loosen them all the way, but do it right. You grab the bushings from the bottom. You should be able to take out this little piece, as you can see. And then you just want to take your flathead and just take it out slowly. And it should just pop out easy. Just keep pushing it. This is how the bushings be looking like. My bushings are really soft. Look at that rip. These are bad. And you want to do also to all the other ones. You want to do the same thing like I did to the top. The one thing, you don't want to let everything fall down, so just try to not let anything fall down. Oh, it's fine. I picked it up with a magnet. Just fetch it up.
And I can do the thing.
Damn, these bushings are bad also. Damn. I'm gonna start on 2. It's really hard to get out, but
Yeah.
if you want, you guys can put your hand under, but don't let it slide out. But actually, just do this first. Just put the boat in. Just grab it. Check 'em. It should be one of these. You just want to push it down and just start tightening. Damn, bro. I need better tool equipment. 'Cause I got nothing. Just start tightening. And we're gonna start replacing all of them, and we'll be back. Finished installing the Acuity shifter bushings today, and I just pulled this panel back with 2 clips on the side, and there was a Phillips head right here, and I just pushed it forward. So I'm putting everything back together. I'm gonna start with putting this together. So now I'm gonna put on the plastic pieces back on. Start from this one. Try the clip and shit. So now I'm gonna start my nice shift tube that I have. Install the shift knob. Damn. Damn. Way better than before. I prefer you guys to get these shifter bushings. They are really great. They're only $30, so